Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to dive into: artificial intelligence and its real-time applications. From transforming industries to enhancing our daily lives, AI has proven to be a game-changer. So, buckle up as we take a deep dive into the world of AI. Montage of futuristic technology, data centers, and AI-related imagery. Clips of self-driving cars navigating busy streets, robots assembling products, and medical devices in operation. Understanding artificial intelligence. Before we explore real-time applications, let's quickly understand what artificial intelligence actually is. In simple terms, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Visual aids showing the three types of AI: narrow, weak AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Explanation of machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks with simple animations. Real-time applications of AI. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's jump into some mind-blowing real-time applications of AI that are shaping our world. Healthcare revolution. Clips of AI-powered diagnostic tools analyzing medical images and detecting anomalies. 2. AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases like cancer with remarkable accuracy, leading to faster treatment and improved patient outcomes. Smart assistants. Footage of people interacting with voice assistants and smart home devices. 2. Smart assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand and respond to our commands, making our lives more convenient. Financial insights. Visualization of data analysis and stock market trends. 2. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, helping traders make informed decisions and predict market trends. Autonomous vehicles. Clips of self-driving cars navigating various environments. 2. AI-powered autonomous vehicles are on the brink of revolutionizing transportation by increasing safety and efficiency on the roads. E-commerce personalization. Examples of personalized product recommendations on online platforms. 2. Ever wonder how e-commerce sites suggest products you'll love? AI analyzes your preferences and browsing history to offer tailored recommendations. Fraud detection. Visual representation of AI analyzing transactions for fraud detection. 2. Banks and financial institutions use AI algorithms to detect unusual patterns in transactions, preventing fraudulent activities in real time. Challenges and future prospects. Of course, like any technology, AI comes with its own set of challenges and considerations. Ensuring privacy, avoiding biases, and the ethical use of AI are just a few of the hurdles we're working to overcome. 1. Experts discussing AI ethics and diversity in AI development teams. Host. But despite these challenges, the future of AI looks incredibly promising. Closing thoughts. Host. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of artificial intelligence and its real-time applications. From healthcare to transportation, finance to personalization, AI is transforming the way we live and work. As technology continues to evolve, so will AI, and we can't wait to see what's next. End screen. Call to action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. Social media handles and links to related videos. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of AI.